Hi there, I'm Kirsty from Upcycle Arcade. If your child's bedroom, or that of a grandchild, a godchild, a niece or a nephew, is in need of a makeover, why not get them to do it themselves? Do it properly and professionally and without breaking the bank. At the end of this course, they will have the skills to transform tired and dated furniture into pieces that everyone will love. Fill their home with refinished pieces that will last the test of time. This course comes complete with the tools, the paint and the finishing products. All the young upcycler needs is a piece of furniture. So there's no need to go sourcing for all the different bits, the brushes, the paint, the wax, the finishing, masking tape. All of that will be provided and sent to your young upcycler once the colours and the design have been agreed. It may actually ignite an entrepreneurial spark, you never know. So this course makes for a thoughtful and unusual gift and a wonderfully different project for school holidays. So you want to know more? Get in touch.